This is the morning of the morning of the Paradise Plunge, not Polar Plunge. It is not that cold. By the beach near my house, and just getting a quick walk in. We're gonna go surfing on the other side of the island though. And part of getting ready, I also wanted to make time for something that's out of the ordinary, which is calling my sister to get her insight on Special Olympics. Hi Mal, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I was wondering if you'd tell us about your time doing Special Olympics.
I played basketball. I was a guard. I played for the Bobcats.
Awesome. And do you remember who was on your team?
Caleb, Matt, Jeremy.
Who was your coach?
Miss Ann.
Miss Ann, was she a good coach?
Yes, she was a really good coach.
That's awesome. It sounded like you had fun doing Special Olympics.
I did.
Would you recommend other kids like you to do Special Olympics?
Yes.
How come? Why?
To give them a chance and a shot, because it doesn't matter your special ability. You can just go out there and try.
That's awesome, Mal. I agree. Well, I'm glad that you got to do Special Olympics, and we hope that we can get some money so that kids in Hawaii can do Special Olympics too. So thank you for answering my call. I know it's... And one last thing before I go, I have to say goodbye to the pups. Leroy and Kaika for a nap. Got a change of clothes and a clean bathing suit, my changing poncho, and a towel. So let's go. And here are the West Maui Mountains that we're driving around. I started surfing about 5 years ago. I got my first board. Kind of just went out there with some friends that were also learning to surf, and we just flopped around for a while, which was fun. Very exhausting when you don't know technique, but it's a wonderful way to enjoy the outside for me, where I can be in the water, but it's not that hot because you're in the water, and it's very entertaining. The camera here is on the front of the chest, so you see the wax on the board as I paddle and then stand up, but immediately fall back down, wipe out. We've got to get back up on the board quickly and try again. I saw a wave I liked in the background, so I turn around and again paddle, and here I'm up. This one is a party wave, and Kristen's over here. After a few hours, some fun waves, a lot of missed waves, it's time to catch one in and head home. Alright, successful day of surfing. It was small, the conditions were not perfect, but the sun was shining, there were plenty of turtles, my friends were out, caught some waves. I would say a successful day, and all for the Paradise Plunge. So hopefully you enjoyed some of this footage, and if you like it, consider donating a couple dollars to Special Olympics Hawaii. Thanks.
All right, hi everyone. I'm Garrica and I'm part of the Special Olympics Hawaii staff. This is my Paradise Plunge video vlog, and it starts off with me packing up my board and heading to work. So here we are at the Special Olympics Hawaii office. So this is our new facility, walking up to the building. This is how I start off my day before going surfing, and I wanted to introduce to you our Special Olympics Hawaii staff.
Hey Garrica, have fun surfing.
Hey Garrica, have fun surfing, but be safe. Now that the day is over, we want to catch a couple waves before sunset, so we head over to White Plains and try to catch a couple waves. Happy plunging, and thanks so much for everyone's support.